I ate healthy for 1 whole year, and the sad part is, I got fatter. Not because I ate too much, because the word healthy is a literal scam. The foods that did this to me are probably in your kitchen right now and is doing the same to you. And I'm gonna show you all of them. Back when I was 16, I wanted to change myself into good. I wanted to lose fat, start building muscle. I swapped chips for granola bars. Instead of eating candy bars, I switched them up for protein bars, thinking I'm doing my body something good. Coke Zero as a soda, and always eating low-fat things. And I felt proud after each grocery trip. Look at me, eating healthy. Month after month, I didn't really notice a change. I thought, why? As most people do, I blamed it on genetics. Yes, genetics do play a big role, but it's not everything. Even with the most worst genetics, you can still build muscle and still be healthy. I lose respect for the people that tell me, no, I can't build muscle, my genetics bad. That's literally not true. You're just a weak person not wanting to do the hard work. And it's not entirely your fault. I thought I was doing the right thing, which you probably were too. Then I started doing some research and I read the label for once. And then something clicked. How can a food with 20 ingredients be good for you? The real reason why healthy foods made me fatter. Healthy has become a marketing. Healthy has just become a marketing word. Companies buy it and they print it on anything. Because people that don't know any better fall for it. Just like me and you. Here's some of the stuff I ate in my healthy diet. Granola bar with 12 ingredients. More sugar than a chocolate. My fruit juice without the fibers and important stuff, filled up with extra sugar so it tastes better. My low-fat yogurt. My protein bar, basically just a candy bar with a gym photo on it. Real food fills you up and doesn't make you crave it that hard. Real food makes you full and doesn't give you those hard cravings at 3 a.m. Engineered food is literally a trap. It doesn't switch off your hunger. Instead, it tells your body to keep on eating more. And that's how they make their money. And there's a simple solution for all of this. It's one rule. It's one rule. And I call it the single ingredient rule. As simple as it sounds. The rule, if it has more than one ingredient, I don't buy it. That's it. A literal kid could follow this. Step number 1 before buying a food. Turn it and read the label. The label lies on the front, but never on the back. And if you see more than one ingredient in it, just put it back and search for something else. Food that your grandfather would know of. Step number 2, build meals from single foods only. Example, in the morning, eat eggs. The best thing you can eat in the morning are eggs. What I did was morning eggs, sometimes bitter bread, and if you eat bread, what I did was in the mornings I eat bread. What I did was in the morning I always ate eggs, and sometimes I wanted some bread, so I went and made or bought sourdough bread, the best kind of bread you can buy. And for dinner, I just ate. And for dinner, the most important part is meat. You can add potatoes, rice, fruit. The most important part is single ingredient meals. Yes, of course you can mix stuff up, but the thing is, The food you buy from the grocery shop should only have one ingredient in it. Step number 3, stop counting and eat like a real man, like a real human. Our ancestors didn't count calories and carbohydrates and proteins like you nerd. You don't have to do it. Listen to your body. Of course, if you're a professional bodybuilder, you can do it, but I think it isn't unknown that it's completely unhealthy what bodybuilders are doing. The amount of muscle mass, they don't gain it just by training. Of course, they do test and steroids. And these simple steps literally made me lose fat and build muscle. Here's a before and after picture. And that was just off 7 to 8 months of without wrecking my head. Oh, I need to get that amount of carbohydrates in for my day. I didn't do that. I didn't do that BS. And some people say, well, I can get fat off just. And some people say, well, if I eat a lot of rice and meat and eggs, I will get fat. Honestly, I want to see you do that. I have never met a person that can overeat on eggs and meat. You don't have to eat perfect, just eat real food. Perfect quits by Friday. One thing today, go into your fridge or closet, grab the healthiest food you have and read the label. If it has more than one ingredient, come back and write in the comments what it is you found in your closet or kitchen or fridge. And that was it for this video, and as always, stay healthy.